Okay, here is the next question for NDA exams math. Um, it is also an important question. So the question is, let A be a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So actually A is a square matrix and determinant of A equals to 4. It is given. And if determinant of this matrix equals to 2 to the power alpha into 3 to the power beta, then what is the value of alpha plus beta? Okay, so the problem will be resolved if we find out what is alpha and what is beta here. So here we use so many formulas for matrix, and I will write it down one by one so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, so the first formula we use here is for every square matrix A, we actually can write this thing A into adjoint of A. Basically, this A is a small for better understanding equals to determinant of A into in, where A, if A is n by n matrix. So it is the formula A into adjoint of A equals to determinant of A into in. Okay, so see that we want is adjoint of 3A. So uh, we consider B matrix as 3A. A with a scalar multiplication of 3. And we use this formula. So B equals to, sorry, B into adjoint of B equals to determinant of B into of I3, because A and B all are ordered 3 by 3. Okay, so it is done. Now what we do is see that here 2 is multiplied with this adjoint. So we multiply 2 with both side. Okay, it is a scalar term. It is a scalar term. So together 2 determinant of B, it is a scalar term into I3. Now another formula we use here is for every matrix, if AB is permissible, then determinant of AB uh, equals to determinant of A into determinant of B. So we can actually divide the determinants and we can calculate this here. Also, one more formula we use here is suppose C be a scalar. Suppose C is a scalar, then C into AB, it can be written as CA into B, or it can be written as A into C. So we use this thing here. Okay, so let's just write it down. So here we can write that B into 2 adjoint B equals to 2 determinant of B into I3, and then we take determinant from both sides. See, it is valid because if A equal to B, then determinant of A equal to determinant of B. As simple as that. So what we will do is B into 2 adjoint B determinant equals to determinant of 2 mod B I3. Okay. Now here we use another formula here. So number 4 is, suppose C be a scalar, then C of A, determinant of C of A equals to, we can see that suppose A equals to Aij, n by n, it is a matrix, square matrix. So CA will be CA11, CA12, CA1n, CA21, CA22, CA2n, and so on. This determinant. So we can write, we can common C from each row. So C from the first row, C from the second row, dot dot up to nth row. So it is n times, and the determinant remain the same: a11, a12, a1n, an1, ann. So it can be written as C to the power n, determinant of A. For all matrix, you can write this thing. Okay, so let's move forward. So from this we can write using uh, our formula 2, we can write that mod B into, sorry, determinant of B into determinant of 2 adjoint B equals to, this whole term is a scalar term and it is I3. So it can be written as 2 determinant of B whole to the power 3, C to the power n. So C to the power n into determinant of I3. Okay, so now we come to all are now numbers. Okay, so mod B. Okay, I can write mod B as mod 3a into 2 adjoint of 3a equals to 8. Okay, I can write here also 3a cube, and determinant of I3 equals to 1. Determinant of I3 equals to 1. So 2 adjoint of 3a, determinant of this equals to 8, 3a square, 3a cube by 3a equals to 3a square. So it can be written as 2 cube into determinant of 3a. Determinant of 3a can be written as C, the same formula, CA equals to C to the power n, determinant of A. So 3 to the power 3 into determinant of A square. So 2 cube into 3 cube into determinant of A is already given here. See, determinant of A is 4. So we can write 4 here, and so it can be written as 2 cube into, sorry, I missed the square, 3 cube square into 4 square. So it can be written as 2 cube 3 6 to 4, or it can be written as 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 6. So we come to the conclusion that uh, why it is given that 2 into adjoint of 3 is given 2 to the power alpha into 3 to the power beta. So if we compare this 2 to the power alpha into 3 to the power beta equals to 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 6, we simply get the values of alpha and beta. Alpha equals to 7 and beta equals to 6. And so we get, sorry, to get the value of alpha plus beta, which is 7 plus 6 equals to 13. So the correct answer is here 13. It is very important because we use so many formulas here, and if we are familiar with these formulas, then the problem will be easy. Thank you for this. Stay tuned for more question solutions.